Hi, welcome to my channel piOneer where we are going to solve maths. And here we have gotten a probability problem which tells us a set contains 3n members. Let Pn be the probability that S is partitioned into 3 disjoint subsets with n members in each subset such that the 3 largest members of S are in different subsets. Then limit of n tends to infinity of Pn will be. Now pause the video and give it a try by yourself. And now we are going to solve this problem. So at first we have to know what this problem is going to tell us, and what is telling us, what it is telling us that there is a set called S of 3n members. Now it is partitioned into 3 disjoint subsets. Those are this and this and this. Now let name these sets X, Y and Z. I have named this X, Y and Z, and these sets contain equal number of elements, that is n. And now we have to find the probability that this set S is partitioned such that 3 largest members of S, say the 3 largest members are A, B and C. These 3 are uh, partitioned such that this first set contains A, second set contains B and third set contains C. So we are given this problem to find the probability, and then we have to find the limit of n tends to infinity of that function of probability. So at first we have to find the sample space of this event. So we are going to find the number of elements in the sample space. So it is going to be, at first, n members is taken out of 3n. Okay, n members are taken out of 3n. So in it can be arranged in 3n cn ways. So we are going to do the combination thing over here, and then we are left with 3n minus n elements in the original set S, that is 2n elements. So we are going to put this here, and now for each combination in 3n cn we are getting a 2n of n. So we are going to multiply this, and similarly now we are left with n members, and we are taking out n. Yes, so we have gotten the combination, that is the sample space, the number of elements in the sample space. And now we are going to calculate the number of elements in the event what we are willing for, that is the set is partitioned such that the 3 largest members of this set S is partitioned into 3 disjoint sets such that they are in different sets. So like y cannot have a b or a c, like y must have b or a or c, either of them. So let name this event q. If we calculate this number, if we are going to calculate this number, we have to at first find n of q. So to find this n of q, we have to go through. Now in set 3n, we are already taking the three largest numbers of this set, that is a, b and c. So to arrange this, we have already taken three largest number out of the 3n members of this set. So we are going to minus 3, and now from n, about n, we have already taken a. From three largest numbers must be separated, so 3n minus 3, and from n one element, that is a, b or c, anything can be. So they are separated, so it is going to be n minus 1. They are already separated from the set 3n, and a or b or c, anything from this is separated from n. So n minus 1, and this is going to be a combination. So we get at first what we are doing, that at first we are taking away the three largest numbers from the set S, and so we are getting the total number of elements in the original set as 3n minus 3, and from the set we are partitioning from the set S, we are getting n minus 1 elements, as we have taken one element from the set, X, suppose. Now we are going to do the same, like we have taken n elements out of 3n, okay, including a. We have taken 3 elements out of n elements out of 3n, so we are left with 2n elements. Now we have already taken a is taken from that, so a, we can't take a again because a is already present in the set X. Now we are working with b and c, so we have gotten two elements to get it from. So we are subtracting the remaining two largest elements from the original set S, that is of 2n members, and now we are going to do the same n minus 1, since in the set Y we are going to take n minus 1 elements, since we have already taken out b, separated b from the set of n. So number of elements in the set Y, that is n, we have already taken b, and for each of the combination of 3n minus 3 c n minus 1, we are getting 1 2n minus 2 c n minus 1, so we are going to multiply it. That's the logic. And here we are going to do the same, that is n minus 1, because we are finally left with n number of elements in the original set, and here we are going to take one another n minus 1, and we are, hopefully we are done with it. But now we are going to add another thing, that is, now we have to, find the number of ways in which A, B and C can be arranged. So uh, it is 3 factorial ways in which we can arrange A, B and C. So we have to multiply it here, because it can, in each of the combination, the number of ways it can be arranged is 3 factorial. So here we get the n of q, that is number of uh, elements in the set q. Now we have gotten it, I guess. It is, now if we find p of n, sorry, pn will be just n of q by n of omega, by the classical definition of, probability. We get this. So we are going to put the values of n of q and n of omega. That is, n of omega is 3n cn, that's a big number, and 2n cn, and finally we are going to add n cn, and in the numerator we have gotten n of q, that is 3 factorial into 3n minus 3, 3n minus of 3, cn minus 1, and 2n minus 2, cn minus 1, and at last n minus 1, cn minus 1. So we have gotten the function for the probability of this event, and if we simplify this, you can do it yourself. I am just writing down the simplification. What I have gotten after simplifying this is something like 6 by 3 into 3 minus 1 by n, 3 minus 1 by n, into 3 minus 2 by n. You can simplify the factorials and you will get this expression for Pn. Now we have to put limit of n tends to infinity, sorry, limit of n tends to infinity, that is of Pn, that is going to be 6 by 3 into 3 minus 0 into 3 minus 0, that is 2n, 2 by n is going to be 0 after all, when we put the limit n tends to infinity. It is 3, yes, it is 3. 3 minus 0. It's messy over here, just that is 3 minus 0. Now if we calculate it, uh, it is going to be 2, and 3 into 3 is 9, that is 2 by 9 is the answer. So now let's see what the answer is. That is, the answer is D, 2 by 9. So we have gotten the answer of this. Thank you for watching this video up to this, and so do subscribe to my channel and like this video if you really understood the problem and the solution of this problem. Goodbye and see you soon on next video. Thank you.